Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Let's Join Pharmacy. Today I am here to discuss about the treatment for acne. Okay, this is the double content which is stored in this gel, that is the clindamycin phosphate and nicotinamide gel. Okay, these two drugs, these are the very important chemicals to treat the acne, pimples. Basically, this clindamycin phosphate, what you are looking now, it will kill the acne producing cells inside the skin. Okay, it will kill those all. It is stops the growth of that, or it kills the acne production cells where on your skin. That is a clindamycin phosphate. Basically, acne means those pimples what you are observing, no, acne pimples on your face, the nodular structures, the nodular lumps, that because of the hyperproduction of the acne, those can be easily reduced. But in some condition, in some women, those are absorbed due to the maturity, women and men, in both the condition. You can apply for that clindamycin phosphate and nicotinamide gel. It is a very easy technique to remove the acne. Okay, very easy. See here, this clindamycin phosphate and nicotinamide gel. Here I take the brand name Clean Fresh. My dear brothers and sisters, I will give you one short note. You don't look of this brand name. You close this. You just read that content, that is clindamycin phosphate and nicotinamide gel. It is very important. For us, the requirement of content is important, not this brand name. Content. You close this all. We don't want these companies, Smart Company or Micro, Mankind companies, Sun Pharma, Ranbaxy, Mankind. Those, we don't want companies, but we want the drug, because the companies won't cure our infections, the companies won't cure our diseases, the companies won't help to give the better health. Okay, those will given by all these chemicals and drugs, so you give more preference on these only. Okay, these nicotinamide and clindamycin phosphate. It is the cost of this gel is, first I will tell the uses. See, uses means better it is used for the acne. It is good for your acne production. Okay, beyond this you can use the Acne Star gel, 110 rupees MRP, 110, maybe you can get 100 rupees in the market. With that Acne Star soap, Acne Star soap, it is of 80 rupees, I think so, MRP. With, and that Acne Star soap, it will be added with benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide helps to remove the scars over the pimples. So after the pimples, so you are observing the scars on your face, no, those can be reduced by this benzoyl peroxide. Got it? Then how can we apply, sir? It can be applied twice a day, morning and evening. Okay, if you feel any irritation, means reduce the time of applying, like you can apply only once a day. Okay, before applying, first wash your face with the soap. Which soap? Medicated soap only, that Acne Star soap or Clean Fresh soap, any clindamycin phosphate or nicotinamide soap. You use that medicated soap, and use the soap privately. Privately means not by by hiding your parents. No, not that like way. Privately means use your soap you only. Don't give to your brother, sisters, uncle, auntie, etc. Okay, nephew. You use your soap privately. You use your soap self. Okay, now let's discuss about the brand name. I have told you Acne Star, then Face Clean. Many are available in the market. And the MRP of this is 80 rupees. You are observing 80 rupees. The MRP of this Clean Fresh. Maybe this is a cheap cream, because all beyond in the market 110, 150, 200 rupees available. Why I am telling to use this means it contains the two brands. One is clindamycin and nicotinamide. Two drugs, the combined drugs, which helps to come out of that acne. Okay, and this is the treatment. Now let's discuss about some of the side effects. See here, every drug having the side effect. These English medicines, these allopathic medicines will show the side effect. Not severe, but for one patient or two patient, it's common. What is the side effect? Irritation, burning of the skin. Okay, itchiness on the skin, then redness of the skin. If any side effect means, you can take cetirizine, levocetirizine, or just cetirizine, Ocasset. You can take and recover from that side effect. Yes, these are the simple side effects. I have told you MRP, the drug information, clindamycin phosphate and nicotinamide. Then I have told the side effects, Then what's remaining, my dear brothers and sisters? Users I have told you, brand name I have told you. Yes, this is the today's information about the acne, how to treat the acne. Inshallah, in upcoming classes we will discuss about the many more brands, many more drug information for you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.